of gray. Yet I find light in where I pray. Every tear a whispered plea. Oh Allah, stay close to me. Through the storm, through the night, your mercy is my guiding light. Every wound you mend, you heal. Through the pain, your love is real. The wind, it howls, the earth, it shakes, but my heart knows who never breaks. A hand unseen, a grace so vast. Allah, your love will always last. I fall, I rise, you never fade in air. The sky weeps in